Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath the video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform, and it's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content and that I share so much on my channel, please take a second when you come in to hit that thumbs up. The number will increase, it will turn blue, and that's you helping True Ones grow on this huge platform. All right? It's a simple thing and it takes a second, but it's so important on the platform. Supposedly, what ends up happening is if YouTube sees enough of those thumbs up, they will then take this video and put it in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So it is important, and I appreciate that you do that for me. All right, so excited. Finally, my fall box arrived. It came a little bit worse for wear, a little bent in here and a little kicked in there, but it is here, and I'm so excited. I have been so enjoying watching so many other girls open up theirs, and I didn't do any add-ons or anything different in my box from the day that I went on. There was a little bit of a hiccup for me. When I went on, a lot of things were saying sold out. So one of the items that I was hoping to get was saying sold out, and it wasn't showing up in my options, so I chose my second alternative to it. But I'm happy with everything that I got. I did get a notification from FabFitFun via email about 8 hours later saying that there was a glitch in the system. If I want to go back in or add anything, I can, and so on and so forth. By that point, I was done, and I'm happy with everything that I got. There are no add-ons. I didn't add anything extra. I picked based on what was available in the sections for me. As you know, on my channel, I try my best, and it was so much fun this season. I was able to share all the spoilers as they came down, and we were able to kind of make a lot of our decisions before it became live, which made it so much easier on the day of the choices. So, and you guys shared with me what you were interested in, and so on and so forth. So it just, like I said, made the decisions a lot easier. So I really enjoy when you guys share in the comments with me, and that we were able to share a lot of these spoilers together. So if you're not following me, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that when I'm sharing spoilers and things like that, not only do you get to see it when it's here, we get to share all the deals and everything. Because with FabFitFun, I did take a break, and it was one of the first boxes since I started getting boxes that I took a break from. And the reason I did was it was starting to get to a point where the items that they were showing were not getting me excited. And you know, at this stage in my life, I have a lot of stuff. So there has to be something in there that's at least one or two items that are intriguing to me to make me want to do this. When I had the deal that came down from FabFitFun where they were giving 1 season free, that's when I re-signed up, because, and I shared that with you guys, and a lot of you guys did the same thing. So like I said, when a deal comes and when I decide to get a deal, I share that with you guys as well. And as this channel is growing, I'm also getting approached by other companies, a lot of companies, and I really pick and choose what I share on my channel, because if it's something that I'm not going to use or enjoy, or the discount isn't what I feel is what, you know, takes the time to do the video, and I don't show it on my channel. So when you see things on my channel, it's stuff that I really enjoy, and it's stuff that I think is a great deal, and I want you guys to enjoy it too. So let's get into what I ended up picking. And like I said, I was hoping for certain things, and there were certain things in this box that were absolutely fantastic. FabFitFun also, what I do is I sign up for the whole year. The reason I do that with this box, because majority of my boxes are month to month, not simply because I'm the type that stops a month and starts a month. I never have. I just like to be in control. So if something is a savings or $1 or $2, I prefer to be in control of it being month to month. However, when there's a phenomenal deal like there was with Allure, that you signed up for a year and they kept the price at 15 when it was going up to 23, I signed up for a year again there too. But with those, you have to make sure that you want it, because they make you pay upfront for the whole year. With a new box that's on my channel, on those, I only have to, you can sign up for the whole year, but they charge you month to month, which is a really nice thing. So you get the savings without having to outlay all the dollars right up front. With FabFitFun, I sign up for the whole year for a few reasons. One, you get to enjoy all the benefits of being an annual, which means you get access early. You get supposedly shipped early, which didn't happen for me this time around. I'm going to write to them to find out why, because I am annual. But you're supposed to get priority shipping. And like I said, you get early access to all the other deals that go on FabFitFun, and they always have deals going on there too. And I share that with you guys on the channel as well. But they also have a community, and their community is fantastic. They also give all the boxes a magazine, and in the magazine it usually has pricing, which this time it didn't, that I can see, because I just took a quick glance. But they always have so many like recipes and take a walk on the wild side. Like there's always some great articles in here. So I really, really enjoy that. It's like getting a magazine in the mail. So I really appreciate that. So based on my memory, I'm going to tell you what I ended up choosing. And like I said, a lot of it was based on you guys saying this is what you were going to choose. So I definitely did not need another frying pan. I have more pots than I can imagine. But based on what was in the selection, and that's the other thing with FabFitFun, their prices are very high. But the deals that we get where you can add on something else in that section for $10 or $15, I think is a steal. So I never pay attention to the retails when it comes to FabFitFun. They are real. I'm not saying they're not. They can't publish that if it's not. It's just not the type of pricing that I would pay for the items that they're showing. But this one is from this brand called Phantom Chef. It's an 8-inch frying pan. It feels very heavy. It feels very well made. The color is gorgeous. That's the back of the pan. And this is the wooden handle. It has the area where you can, keep your thumb. It's ergonomic. It's just beautiful. So happy I got it. Like I said, the choices for me that were in that line, this was the one that spoke to me, and it spoke to a lot of you guys too, so I ended up getting it. And we'll see, I'll play with it, I'll cook and see how extra phenomenal it is, and we'll take it from there. The other item is the one that I'm wearing on my hat. That's section 2. I wasn't sure what to do, but I love hats. And now that I live in Florida, the only thing I was concerned about, if this was going to be a flannel hat, it would be too warm for me to wear down here, but it's not. It's a really lightweight hat, and what's nice about it, it has the fall-esque design to it, which is something that I can get away with in Florida without it like looking like flannels. I have a lot of tops that are like flannel looking, but they're cotton, and that's what this hat reminds me of. So the colors are beautiful. It's something that I will wear. It's something I'm enjoying. So that is the next item that I ended up getting. The item that I wanted in this section was a backpack that folded up to nothing. I already own items like that, so it was no big deal. But this was the other choice that was available. That backpack didn't show up when my choices were, so I ended up with this, I guess, Fanny Pack. As you know, for a lot of you, and it's sold out with our True Wants Need a Bag, we have a huge one that I use for traveling all the time because it fits everything and the kitchen sink. This one's a lot smaller, and it only has one section and a zipper on the back, but this will be nice if, you're just going for a walk and you just need to have your cell phone and a couple of things. I think this is really cute. Ours, of course, is leather. This one here is a leather-like type of material, but I think it's well made and it's really cute, and it has the buckle back here. So you could wear it as a crossbody, you could wear it as a waist. So I think it's really well done. And like I said, there's one zipper compartment in here, but there's nothing else inside except an empty shell. There's no extra zippers in here, but there is a zipper in the back. So I think it's, like I said, all the products that I have gotten from FabFitFun, I feel the quality definitely is there. The next item is one that I was so excited to get because I wanted something with pumpkin, and this is from the brand called Purlisse. This is a brand that I absolutely love, and this one is, I think, a new product to me. It is a detoxifying charcoal mask. I opened it up and I peeled the safety seal back a little bit just to see the scent, and the scent is just beautiful. It is that pumpkin scent that if you've never had a scrub that has this pumpkin scent to it, there is something about it that is so beautiful. It's just so refreshing and invigorating at the same time. That's what this looks like here. And the the scrub that's inside here is very, very minor. It's minute. It's really, you don't even feel it. It's like very, very, very fine. So this will be really, really nice to do a nice, easy exfoliation. So excited about that. And like I said, the scent is phenomenal. The next item that I got was, I think, part of a threesome. So let me show you the other item that wasn't. I have it here. Yeah, this is what I was excited about too. There was an item in here from Coach, and it came that it was an authentic Coach, which I thought was really nice. And then it came with this item here. It came with a necklace, they're very tiny, and it came with a pair of stud earrings. I'm a girl who does not have pierced ears, but I do have a niece that absolutely loves stud earrings, and I have family and friends, like I said, that love this. So this will end up being a fantastic gift. If I end up keeping the necklace for myself and just giving the studs, it's still a great gift as well. So keeping that out there. So that's my thoughts on this. Then the next one was where you got to choose either one expensive full-size item, or they had these bundles that they used to give us that you didn't have a choice. Now with Annual, that's the other thing that they're doing, is you have full customization of your entire box, which is unbelievable, and that's for annuals. If you choose to do season by season, I think you get 4 out of the choices and not the whole box. So the first item that was in here was, this ended up being a lot better than I thought it was going to be. This one, there was a bundle that I wanted that had an item in it to help clean the brushes, but when I went in, and like I went in early, that wasn't even part of the bundle. So this was like, had a couple of the items that I wanted, so you'll see what the third item is, but it is what it is. So this one here is from this brand called the Bandits, and this is the box that it came in, and this ended up being a lot larger than I thought it was going to be. It's this 3-tier that closes and opens so that you can put your jewelry in on your countertop and have access to it. So I think this is cute. I thought this was going to be a lot smaller, so I'm going to have to decide where I'm going to put this now, because I didn't expect it to be this big. So happy that it is, but like I said, I'm going to have to make some decisions on that one. The other item that was in here is from this Earth Harbor brand, and a lot of our boxes are starting to get this brand now, and this is in the item called Marina, and it is a brightening ampoule. This, I'm going to see if it's something that I already own or whatever and take it from there. But like I said, we've been getting a lot from this Earth Harbor brand, but I've only had the opportunity to try a couple of their products, and I really did enjoy it. So I usually steer clear of these type of products because I'm a combo girl, but I'm finding with this brand, my skin seems to be enjoying it. So excited to have another product to try from this brand if it's one that I already don't have, because like I said, so many boxes are putting these in, and they always come in these gorgeous colors. I just don't remember at this point because there's been so many. And then the third item, which came in this box here, and this one says it's eco-friendly comb set. These combs are environmentally friendly and perfect for all hair types from curly to straight. This set includes both a large tooth comb and a small tooth comb with rounded teeth, making it easy for detangling hair and preventing breakage. So I ended up with a comb and another comb. These are a little more heavy duty than, you know, the ones that you would see at, you know, the discount stores, but it's combs. So that is the trio. So it ended up being the comb set, which I was hoping was going to be the brush cleaner, then this product from Earth Harbor, and then this phenomenal 3-tier product from this Bandits. So that's everything that I got. I personally think this is such a unique box, and it's always a good deal. And if you want to stay focused and just get skincare, they usually do have a lot of options for that as well. But like I said, their sales and everything are really, really good. When I started with this FabFitFun box, I was beyond over the moon. I could not wait for it. It was something I got excited about, and then that tiered off, and now I'm back there again. I am really, really happy with everything that I received. It is so much fun to do this with you guys, which adds a little bit more to be back on the channel, because I'm able to have so much more communications with you because so many people get FabFitFun. It just makes it fun to be able to share through the comments and the spoilers and all that. So I am happy that I finally got the box. It is full, and I'm getting it in September, so that made it great. But like I said, it took close to a month for me to get this box, which for me, my memory of when I got FabFitFun is usually a week or two after I did my customization, but I'm happy it's here. I'm happy it arrived. I'm happy everything that I ordered is in the box. I saw a few other girls were getting bonus items and stuff. My box did not have any of those. So please share with me if you didn't get any bonus items either. I would love to know. And that's it for today. All right. Everybody, please continue to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you all soon again in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.